Let's delete all data on your iPhone without the password. Now, if you forgot your password, or maybe you bought an iPhone and it currently has a password and you don't know what it is, and you want to basically unlock it and remove all of that data, all the iCloud information, all of that from it, I'm going to show you how to do that. The nice thing is that Apple has a guide that walks us through this exact process. So I can open up this article and it says on Apple's website, if you forgot your passcode, and it's going to walk us through some steps. So the key here is if we go down, you need a computer, either a Mac or a PC, and it has to have iTunes installed. Of course, if you have a Mac, then it already has iTunes installed. But if you have a PC, just install iTunes because that is required to bring all of the information on your iPhone back to factory default and delete all the data. So the second step is it basically says just to turn off your iPhone. So on the latest iPhones, the newer ones, you're just going to tap and hold the volume button and the side button here, and then just swipe to power off your iPhone. Walks you through some other steps on some old phones. But then after you do that, the key here is that you're going to need a cable ready to plug your iPhone in to your computer. So get basically the charging cable, plug it into your iPhone and your computer, but not yet. So what you're going to do is it says you're going to tap and hold this side button. And then while you do that, it says press and hold the correct button, the side button on these newer ones, and immediately later plug in your iPhone to your computer running iTunes. By doing so, you're going to start your iPhone in recovery mode. So basically you can go down, it will start in recovery mode, it'll look something like this. And then if you go down to the bottom, it will give you the ability to restore this iPhone back to factory default, including deleting all of that old existing data. So go through this step, it'll look something like that. Basically, you can hit restore or update depending on what you want to do here. It will completely wipe everything. And then you'll be able to set up this iPhone using your personal Apple ID. You'll be able to start loading in any kind of data, messages, your SIM card, any of that. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.